Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling notifications so instant kill alerts can reach you. Open Mobile Legends, go to Settings, then Notifications, and toggle Pushes on. Make sure your device-level permissions allow game alerts and sound. Without system permission, you won't get any pop-ups. Once done, verify your account is linked, Game Center, Facebook, or Guest Upgrade, so personalized kill feeds and friend notifications sync. This step ensures the game can send real-time messages and that you'll actually receive the instant kill trigger when it happens. Now you configure how kills notify you. In Notifications, pick Banner, Toast, or Sound for instant visibility. You should enable HUD indicators and minimap pings so you see the kill location immediately. This helps you react or follow for objective plays. Adjust priority settings so instant kill messages override low-priority chats. That keeps them from being suppressed during team chatter. Once configured, test in a custom match to confirm the visual and audio alerts trigger exactly when a kill happens for reliable immediate. Finish by testing. Join a custom match and ask teammates to secure kills while you watch for instant alerts. Log what shows up so you can tweak settings. If alerts are missing, make sure Do Not Disturb, Battery Saver, or Notification Optimizers aren't blocking Mobile Legends. These commonly silence pushes. If problems persist, clear the game cache or reinstall to reset notification tokens. One quick troubleshooting tip: toggle permissions off and back on to force the OS to re-register the app for push notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.